Good morning, QSI International School of Benin Lions. I'd like to wish everybody a beautiful Thursday morning. It is the 9th of April. These past 4 days, you've been working online with your teachers, and we appreciate that greatly. Tomorrow, Friday, as well as Monday, are days off. Bit of an Easter holiday for everybody. We hope you take advantage of that to be with your family, to take some time off from work, and to just take a moment to take a breath in. Parents, I want you to know that today at 4 p.m. we have a Zoom meeting. If you'd like to participate, an email had gone to your boxes. And I ask all of the community that at 12 p.m. today, if we have a moment of silence for Saturnine Yegnon, if we can all for just a moment sit in silence and reflect on her as well as her family. I would appreciate that greatly. I'll send out a bit of a notice on that as well. Thank you very much. I wish you all a wonderful day. I wish you all a great Easter holiday.